Hello there, this is John from investor.com. Welcome to this week's video analysis for the euro-dollar market. We'll start with the monthly chart. Monthly seems to be climbing up, but not really trending. It's congesting, but making higher highs and higher lows. It's more of a channel, really. It's kind of climbing up, but not really seriously so. It's just kind of congesting while climbing up a bit. Weekly broke a downtrend line pretty strongly too, and is currently having a bit of trouble with this previous resistance area, which once broken on the other side should give us a bit of support. But otherwise, this was a pretty strong move last week that closed above the trend line, which means that the downtrend at least is over for the medium term. But it is still hovering around this price where price topped out for a few weeks previously. Daily has a very, very strong, very, very steep up move. Usually you don't want to see this kind of trend line. It's the ideal trend line should be at a 45-degree angle. This is closer to 70. It's very, very steep, and it's similar to what happened here. You have such a steep move going for days and days and days, and you have a bit of a congestion, and then you're likely to see a reversal pretty soon. Plus, we did have a strong close above this previous obvious resistance area, and then price for the past couple of days has been finding support off of this area and resistance of that area. So it's really caught between a rock and a hard place, really. And currently, the move that we're seeing today is still a rejection off of this area right here, which should be in the region of maybe 33 or something. On the 4-hour, this is kind of the ideal angle for a trend line, and it's been respected for a while now. It's a pretty decent uptrend, though the higher time frames, monthly, weekly, and daily, tend to muscle all the rest. So if it's steep on the daily, it's steep on the daily. So 4-hour basically, 4-hour seems to be topping out as well. We have a bit of an M formation happening right now. This is price forming what looks to be kind of a double top. I also noticed that a very strong thrusting move like this green bar right here did not recreate that magic when price came back. When price retraced to the start of the move, if the bulls were really still in charge, you'd have seen strong bars like this. You see thrusting bars, congestion, thrusting bars, retracement, thrusting bars, congestion, So after a strong move like this, you have a retracement and a continuation that is similar in how it feels. As price is retracing, you see so many bars, and everything seems to be struggling to come back, and then the climb is as weak as a retracement. That is not really the kind of ideal buy trend you want to see. That shows that the bulls are really running out of steam right now. 1 hour shows a very, very, very strong break of an uptrend line. This has just happened, and price is clearly failing to close above the 133 round number. And right now, as we speak, it's come back into this previous support area, which is really the 132.50 round number. And it's retesting it from the other side. Bottom line, this week, expect to see a move that is similar to this candlestick right here. This would mean that as we speak right now, price has already topped out at a high of 1.3298. That should be around there, the high of the week. And that means that we are likely to have a bit of a nosedive retracement bearish move that should come back at least to the high of 2 weeks ago, which was one, if you look down here, it was 1.3060. So we should have that kind of a range, and the candlestick should look something like that. All right. Okay. On behalf of the investor team, I wish you success this week trading Euro US. Cheers. Bye.